Hello and welcome to this video edition of Kitchen Excellence Week 2023. I'm Josh Walton, editor of Food Service Equipment Journal, and I'm delighted to be joined by Paul Anderson, Managing Director of Meiko UK, to discuss some of the latest trends in the warewashing market. Paul, your business is dedicated to supporting food service operators that are aiming to utilise some of the best warewashing products on the market. How does the company achieve this?
That's a great question, Josh. I mean, the first thing we do is we talk, and more importantly, we listen to our operators and understand their needs and wants, and how we help them then match with a product suitable for their needs through our partners, of course. So we provide all the support for them, understand exactly what they want for the future of their business. I think it's future-proofing the business, which is key, and making sure it's the right investment and the right product that gives you the right return.
It's great. And what's some of the latest kind of technologies and innovations within the portfolio of the company at the moment?
I could spend hours on that, Josh, and cover the whole range. But importantly, you know, a dishwashing machine or any cleaning machine, really, water, drainage, chemicals, heat. We try and use less energy, less water, less chemical to ensure that we're returning a really good savings all round for the operator, make sure we're future-proofing their business. We incorporate elements of that in nearly all of our products. We always try and use less water. We try and recover some of the heat that's dissipated through that, so we can, in return, we can preheat the incoming cold water, so we're using less energy to heat it in return. We use different systems whereby the final rinse is added through into the wash tank, so we're constantly using less chemical because we filter. And sometimes we also use the waste heat coming through the drainage as well, and other heat recovery systems.
And what are some of the biggest challenges that you think are currently facing operators using warewashing machines? And how has Meiko been helping them overcome these in recent times?
Wow. I mean, one of the biggest challenges at the moment is unfortunately lack of staff, or the turnaround of staff, and obviously the knowledge that some of them then take with them. And then we have to incorporate, you know, new people coming into their business, so we retrain. We try where possible to provide systems where less operation is needed. So we've automated a lot of systems now. So we, in theory, you could have less people within that dedicated area. That does help, of course. We also look at ergonomic systems, so it makes it easier for the operator to use these machines. Believe it or not, operating a pass-through with the lid up and down does provide a lot of wear and tear on certain muscles, and it has been proven that a number of people, you know, across the globe, they take hours off work because of illness related to that. So we try and automate those systems from an ergonomic point of view. So provide benefits for the user, try and provide benefits for the operator in terms of utilizing less staff and more concentrated.
And with sustainability a key concern for the whole industry at the moment, what product features and services does Meiko offer end users to help try and future-proof their operations?
Another great question there, Josh. That's a difficult question. I mean, sustainability is all about, you know, making sure that we don't harm our planet, and how anything that's end of life can be returned back. We try and use where possible zero global warming potential on our products, so it can be reused at the end of life. Sustainability, we offer chemicals that are completely good. Well, they're proven to be good in terms of a chemical can be good. We've got Nordic Swan accreditation, so it's got a big green stamp on it. We try and use less chemicals, of course, and we try and use less energy. So we're looking at the sustainability factor. I mean, at the moment, we will be working towards being listed on the energy technology list, whereby that shows that our products, some of our products will fit in the top 25% of most energy efficient product, and it will render the operator and our partners clear vision as to what to buy and what it will return in terms of those savings.
That's great. And how important do you think it is for hospitality or catering businesses to continuously develop their warewashing capabilities? And how can this ongoing effort help them become more efficient and cut costs within their operations?
Well, I mean, like I said at the very beginning, we have to talk to them, we have to listen to their needs, and we provide support and design our systems that will incorporate those factors all the way through. You know, warewashing can be considered as the end of the process. It can also be considered at the very beginning of the process, because you want to serve food on a clean plate. You thereafter want to make sure that plate is clean. So you've got to look at that as a total turnkey solution. And going forward, a machine is designed to last a number of years. So it's not an instant purchase to be considered replaced in 3 months. You're looking average 7 to 10 to 12 years life. We've got machines out there that are 25, 30 years of life. So it is a long-term investment, and we work with those people all the way through that.
Thanks, Paul. And finally, as operators look for ongoing service and support from the suppliers of their commercial catering equipment, how does the company aim to deliver this for end users?
Well, I think you've hit the nail on the head, if I'm honest with you. I think service and support is actually one of the major factors. It's a sale, service, sale. But anybody investing in any piece of equipment, you do need to consider the backup and the support, the parts that are availability, the focus of the technicians towards that product, first time fix rate, downtime that has to be minimized. Believe it or not, someone with a machine that's not working, that's an important part of the kitchen, 100%. So service from our side, we focus on that immensely. Dedicated engineers, top 350 parts available at any one time. And we provide about 94% first time fix. Inevitably, that then creates some growth that we need as well, because we're servicing an awful lot more at this moment in time. Because I think one of the best things about sustainability is you need to keep equipment going for longer, and wherever possible, if something can come out, it can be reused. So a piece of equipment should be looked at as a long-term investment with the right backup and support and preventative maintenance in place. You will get an extended life of product. You'll get exceptional results. You get a very happy customer partner, and that's what we look to achieve.